Unwanted calls can be annoying and disruptive. Thankfully, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra makes it simple to block unwanted numbers and enjoy a more peaceful calling experience. Method 1. Block a number from recent calls. This is the fastest way to block a caller who has recently contacted you. Step 1. Open the phone app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Step 2. Tap the Recents tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will display your recent incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Step 3. Find and tap the phone number you want to block. Step 4. Select the info icon to open the caller details page. Step 5. Scroll down and tap block number. On some software versions, you may need to tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and then select block. Step 6. Confirm your choice when prompted. Once completed, calls and messages from that number will be blocked automatically. Method 2. Use the centralized block list. If you want more control over blocked contacts and unknown callers, Samsung provides a dedicated blocking settings page. Launch the phone app. Step 2. Tap the three vertical dots in the upper right corner to open the menu. Step 3. Select settings from the drop-down list. Step 4. Tap block numbers to access the blocking management screen. Stay in the block numbers menu. Tap add phone number. Enter the complete phone number. Tap the plus icon to save it. The number will instantly be added to your blocked list. Method 3. Block unknown or private numbers. Many spam callers hide their caller ID. To stop these calls, in the block numbers menu, locate block unknown private numbers. Toggle the switch on. Your Galaxy S26 Ultra will automatically reject calls from hidden or private numbers. With these simple Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra blocking tools, you can stop unwanted callers, reduce spam interruptions, and enjoy a safer, quieter calling experience.